just stops for now. You can. I mean, this is this is reasonable, where all the risk is off. Especially if you're worried about us rejecting up here. As we come up to this upper band, I think it's reasonable to adjust your stop. So we're above that POC. Um, if this wants to do a retest down lower, I think that's fine. I think my stop's in a reasonable spot for that. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Again, you might adjust your stops differently for me. Everyone's gonna adjust their stops differently. I'm gonna leave this a little bit more loose. Right? I might even leave this right here. Because what? I'm taking $100 of risk off. I'm gonna leave it right there. For me, if it stops me, it's okay. But if you want to adjust your stop tighter, then adjust it tighter. Now pull back. Here's your pullback, Alize. Waiting. Valid. There's your retest. If this is gonna go, I don't want to see. I don't want to see us push lower. What's that? Nikkei up 5%. What the hell? Yeah, what the fuck, bro? Did they change? Was this contract rollover or something? Or did this just gap like a motherfucker, bro? I don't know how Japanese stocks work, dude. I don't know how Japanese stocks work. I want to see this push past this high, and then I'll adjust my stop to this wick. I'm gonna go make sure Jaren's awake really quick. Yo, Jaren. Yo, Jaren. The boy's awake. There's news in Japan. Ultra conservative. Give me an AI summary. Okay. Okay, so they're just fucking investing in the AI. That's what that looks like to me. How's Eric? Eric's doing good. He was on vacation for like a week, bro. Come on, buyers. Damn. Yeah, that yen fucking dropped off a cliff. Alright, I got like 10 more minutes that I can stay on. Then I gotta hop on Top Step TV. I would front run 4K, JP. Like if this starts to run, if this gets above 70s and it's holding above 70s, the next, like I would look for 3990s. I would front run. I would front run 4K. Yeah, usually it will get up towards that psych number and then it will like I've seen it. I've seen it with 3700, I've seen it with 3800, I've seen it with 3900. It will get up near that psych number and it will like get really close to it and then it will reverse. So it's just better to front run it and say, okay, I'm not going to get the whole piece of the pie. I'm going to get my piece and I'm okay with it. So what's my exact TP? I mean, I just have it sitting up here in the 90s. But like if this is going to run up to the 90s, I need to see this do a couple things. Right now, first off, I need this to reclaim POC. Right? We just failed at POC. If this doesn't reclaim it and it stops me out, then the trade ID is invalidated anyway. If this gets above POC, then I want to see it push strongly past this VWAP. I want to see it push strongly past that value area high. Then I'm looking for that 3990. But it has to fill all those conditions in order to do that. I really don't like how that didn't. It tried to reclaim it and it failed. I'm still in it, but that's not what I want to see. After shot trail 2 plasma. I have mine right here. Right below that wick. Like right at that wick. I've got 8 minutes till I have to hop on. Until I have to go. Did I get the double break trade in London? Well, it happened at 320, right? Like you can't really take the double break trade here. I mean, you could long in this area and just shoot for that high, but it's not really worth it. This, if I'm longing here for the double break, I might as well just go for the Asia high. Because what does London like to do? It likes to sweep out one side of Asia. If I'm so bullish on this, we dip below this upper VWAP band, we get back above it, we're showing acceptance above it, we try to sell off below it, we fail here, I would just target that Asia high. I think that was also right at POC previous. No, it's still above. It's not at POC, but like we had bounced out of POC right here. And we also swept True Day right off the bat, so. Come on, buyers. The only thing I don't like about this is how high the CVD's gone. It's showing a lot of interest from buyers, it's just we're not pushing higher yet. The milkman, bro. Goddamn, Zeke. You started to trigger review. Dude, I don't know. Clutch just came up with it. He just started calling me the milkman. I'm like, why are you calling me the milkman? I don't get it. It just came out of nowhere, bro. Alright, I've got like 3 minutes left before I gotta hop off, but if this pushes this high, right, you get a candle close above this high, I'm adjusting my stop to the bottom of this wick. If you want to watch me trade, I'll be on Top Step TV, but they don't always share my screen, okay? So just be aware of that, guys. And it's kind of hard for me to update the Discord while I'm on that stream because I have to mute. Someone might ask me a question, then I have to quickly unmute, and like it's kind of a pain in the ass for me to alert. So if you want to, you know, see the trade, hear my thoughts, I'll be on Top Step TV. Don't worry about them. Do you think? Yeah, appreciate it. Have fun on Top Step TV. Thank you. Yeah. All right.